Alright guys, this is Wes from Wes Automotive. Finally got my truck built, 2000 Silverado 5.3, and just rebuilt the motor, put a truck NORRIS camshaft and the 560 springs, stock converter, stock manifold, stock injectors, stock fuel pump. I upgraded rocker arms. I got the engine tech ones with upgraded trunnions, with the little C-clips, whatever. What else? I got headers, shorties. Which are I think JBR, and got the original Y pipe, the stock converters. I think they're high flow converters, and I got a Flowmaster right out of the original pipe, out of the Y pipe. It goes into a single in dual out Y pipe, or Flowmaster, sorry, 40 series. And here's what I got. I got the idle is okay in park, reverse is actually good, neutral is okay. Put it in drive and it wants to die, and you'll see what I'm talking about. And then coming to a stop, sitting at a stoplight or coming to a stop sign or something like that, after sitting there a couple seconds, about 3 to 4 seconds, it just falls out, and you'll see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna start it up now. Let's get it for a run and start logging. Turn the key, no gas pedal. I got it to do at least that. So just started it up. I got the AC on. Actually, it's on max. The fan's on level 2, so you can hear me. Comes back down to idle pretty good. I'm low on gas, so I'm gonna go get gas right now and take a little test drive. Put it in reverse. I'm okay with that. The idle is nice. If I could get that in drive or 3, that would be perfect. So I put it in neutral. Kind of lopes a little bit. Let's get out of here and go back in reverse. There's drive. Almost wants to stall, but it's holding. It's actually holding to 90 when I'm sitting here, foot on the brake. I got no vacuum leaks. Checked everything. I don't know what it could be. Maybe my exhaust is too small. Oh, here's another thing. Let me put it down in 3 manually. I put it in second gear manually. Idle goes up to like it was in reverse. 1, same thing. But then it was about to drop. So I'm in 3 right now. I'm starting to go. Somebody could help me with this. It's been a struggle. I paid a good tuner. I know he's a good tuner. I've sent him many customers of mine performance builds, and got their car or truck running very well. But he can't get this one. We don't know what it is actually. Coming to the pump right now, and it almost wants to die. See, like I said, that's reverse. Reverse feels nice. Foot on the brake, no problem. It goes down a little bit and then catches itself. So for a desired 850, and we're at 8. Right there, we're bouncing right around that. The timing stays about 15. And then neutral, kind of low. I guess that's what I should expect with a cam. I actually would like it a little bit more smooth, but I played with the idle set screw a little bit on the throttle body. Oh, and obviously it's drive-by cable. It's not drive-by wire. It's a manual cable. So right now it's the idle is getting a little more choppy. I got a check engine light. I think that actually might have been from the TPS that was all the way screwed up before. Had the idle pretty bad, pretty screwed up. Throttle position sensor out of range. I'm gonna clear this again. Hopefully I have it within range now. I had it at 0.4, but it actually fell now. It's not reading. TPS fell off again. It did this yesterday, and I thought maybe it was, let's clear that out. Got no TPS. Let's try a new TPS sensor, and we'll come back to this. Silverado 5.3 LM7 block. Got the truck Norris cam, new springs. Did a valve job, resurfaced the heads. I don't know how much the machine shop took off. They don't even know, but he said very little. I don't know what that means, but I don't know. Also, I got I'm gonna bring you out here and take a look at this engine. Hear the exhaust a little bit too. Got a little rocker arm lifter clacking. Sounds like that soul machine that everyone's talking about. Back in the park, still running just like idle and neutral. Got a little surge to it, but right now we're not reading any TPS. It was reading before. I don't know if it was.